Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how can you loot Paytm amount in just 5 minutes. So for that, search for Cash Mantra in Play Store, or else the app link will be given in the description box. So just click on the link and install it so that you will be getting instant 50 rupees amount into your wallet. Without doing anything, you can just transfer it in your bank account. So now after installing, you will be asking to sign in with your Google account. So just sign in and give basic details like Paytm number, date of birth, gender, occupation. So these are the basic details that you need to give, and just click on save. So after saving, you will be getting an interface like this. This is the open page of this Cash Mantra. So I'll be telling you in a clear manner with everything. So these are the apps. So yes, I'm going to rewards. So if you just click on any box, you'll be getting an ad. So for an ad, they'll be giving you money of 0.01 paisa. So you can also get lot of money from the second ad, because this is the first ad where they give basically 0.01 paisa. From after that, you will be getting approximately 2 rupees for an ad for about 5 to 6 seconds of ad. Okay, so this is also the great method to get a lot of Paytm amount. So after completing the ad, you will be getting a small pop-up, and there will be showing that how much rewards you have gained for this particular ad. Okay, so yes, the ad is completed. Just click on cross, and now you can just see the pop-up, and I got 10 paisa for this ad. So just click on that, and I will be getting instantly added into the wallet. So this is what all about. So if you just install the app from the description box, so you'll be getting instantly 50 rupees, and you can transfer it into your bank account. So this is my profile. You can just see my profile details over here, and these are the offers. So if you have not installed these apps in your mobile, you can just install it from this app, so that you'll be getting extra cash back to your wallet. So, and the third option is refer and earn. You can also refer to your friends through Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and even with normal messages. For every refer, you'll be getting 50 rupees, and if you earn more friends, you'll be getting up to 10,000 rupees wallet amount. So you can easily withdraw all the amount. So I'll be showing you how to refer. Click on WhatsApp. I'm just sharing in WhatsApp. So select any contact, or it's better to share in Facebook groups, because there will be lots of members. Anyone will be clicking and install. Yes, so just send the link and come back. Okay, if they install from that link, you'll be getting money. And redeem, coming to redeem, it is as simple as it is. So the minimum amount is 20 rupees, and then give your Paytm amount, valid Paytm amount, that is KYC. Okay, and then click on redeem now. So you'll be getting within 24 hours. So as I have said, if you use my app link through description box, you'll be getting instantly 50 rupees, and the minimum balance is 20 rupees, so that you'll be getting 50 rupees instant into your bank account. So this is all about. And also you can easily contact them with mail, so they'll be giving you the reply in just a couple of seconds. So hope this video will be definitely helping you all. This is Jahnavi signing out. If you do like this video, like, share and subscribe.